Y'all know me, still the same OG comma, but I've been low-key hated on by most these niggas with no cheese, no deals and no snow wheels and no keys, no boats, no snowmobiles, and no skis made at me cause I can finally afford to provide my family with groceries. Got a crib with a studio on itself full of tracks to add to the wall full of plaques changing up in the office and back of my house like trophies. Did y'all think I'ma let my dough freeze? Oh please, you better bow down on both knees. Who you think taught you to smoke trees? Who you think brought you the oldies? Eazy-E's, Ice Cubes, and D.O.C single quote STHE Snoop D.O. double G-son, the group that said mother, fuck the police, gave you a tape full of dope beats to bump when you stroll through in your hood, and when your album sales wasn't doing too good, who's the doctor they told you to go see? You better listen up close, a while you niggas that said that I turned pup, or the firm flippity, y'all are the reason that Dre ain't been getting no sleep, so fuck y'all, all of you all. If y'all don't like me, blow me. Y'all are gonna keep fucking around with me and turn me back to the old me.
Nowadays everybody wanna talk, like they got something to say but nothing comes out when they move their lips, just a bunch of gibberish and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre. Nowadays everybody wanna talk, like they got something to say but nothing comes out when they move their lips, just a bunch of gibberish and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre. So what do you say to somebody you hate, what, or anyone trying to bring trouble your way? Wanna resolve things in a bloodier way? Yup, then just study a tape of NWA. One day I was walking by, with a Walkman on, when I caught a guy give me an awkward eye, "What you looking at?" and strangled him off in the parking lot, with his Carl Candy. I don't give a fuck if it's dark or not. I'm harder than me trying to park a Dodge when I'm drunk as fuck right next to a humongous truck in a 2-car garage. Asterisk CRUNCH asterisk HOPPIN out with 2 broken legs, trying to walk it off. Fuck you too, bitch. Call the cops. I'ma kill you and them loud ass motherfucking barking dogs. And when the cops came through, me and Dre stood next to a burnt down house with a can full of gas and a handful of matches and still weren't found out. Right here, from here on out it's the Chronic 2 starting today, and tomorrow's the new, and I'm still loco enough to choke you to death with a Charleston chew, asterisk EMINEM quote S vocal TURNTABLE asterisk SLIM shady, hotter than a set of twin babies in a Mercedes-Benz with the windows up when the temp goes up to the mid-80s. Charlene men. Ladies, sorry doc, but I've been crazy. There's no way that you can save me. It's okay, go with him, Haley.
If it was up to me, you fuckers would stop coming up to me with your hands out looking up to me like you want something free. And my last CD was out, you wasn't bump. I maybe now that I got this little company, everybody wanna come to me like it was some disease. You won't get a crumb from me cause I'm from the streets of Compton. I told him all them little gangsters who you think helped mold him all. Now you wanna run around talking about guns like I ain't got none. What you think I sold them all? Cause I stay well off. No, all I get is hate mail all day saying I fell off. What, cause I been in the lab with a pin and a Patreon to get this damn label off? I ain't having that. This is the millennium of aftermath. It ain't gonna be nothing afterthought, so give me one more platinum plaque and fuck rap. You can have it back, so where's all the mad rappers at? It's like a jungle in this habitat, but all you savage cats know that I was strapped with gats when you were cuddling a cabbage patch.
Nowadays everybody wanna talk, like they got something to say but nothing comes out when they move their lips, just a bunch of gibberish and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre. Nowadays everybody wanna talk, like they got something to say but nothing comes out when they move their lips, just a bunch of gibberish and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre.